Wonder shall never end, my people. Not be small thing, things they happen, you don't still bust again, you don't set. Not be small thing, those of una when they buy kpkus, your attention is needed here. Make una come, make una come see wahala, kpkus they offer. Not be small thing. Kpkus they available. Who knows say you won't buy kpkus? Make una gather here. Very, very offer, not be small thing. He say make they come buy kpkus. Say government don't approve the kpkus. Not be small thing. Say the kpkus say they speak panya. Not be small matter. This video now for those when they buy kpkus. I know say not be everybody they buy kpkus. Make una come see something. Things really they happen, honestly. You will thought say you don't see finish. You don't know say you never see finish. I don't know what it can they happen. I don't know what it can they happen, honestly. May not come be say, I too talk. Make una watch the kpkus when they are available. Yes, the kpkus they offer that they sell them. He say make they come buy them because now the person now they say the kpkus. He even talk say the kpkus they speak kanya. Say na opeke. Say the kpkus not be the kpkus. Say the kpkus they speak different language. Say government have already approved it. May they come buy the kpkus. Make una watch. Only my eye no fit see this one. I go talk say I don't see finish on this social media. I don't know say I never see at all. Make una regarde. Those of una when won't buy kpkus, now I want show this video. So if you know say you don't want buy kpkus, no, not see I not say not be everybody they like to see kpkus. Now those who want see the kpkus now want show so kpkus when they speak manya and the kpkus when government approve so now I want show those when want buy the kpkus. Make una regard
9051161891. Oh yeah, come see Toto when they speak panya. Toto when they speak panya. Government approved Toto. Clean Toto day here. Clean Toto day here. You see me as I say, so if you see my Toto, you go mad. Simple and short, I tell you. Men they work, women they advertise. If you see my Toto, I keep small hair. I keep small hair for the Toto. I know one baba molo. I know one baba molo. Make it not gonna look like Pekin. Make it not be like small Pekin own. Make it not be like small Pekin own. If you see my Toto, you go confess. I know one my Toto look like small Pekin own. That is why they barb and punk. And they barb and galas. And they barb and if you see the kind of hairstyle one they buy for this Toto, you go like the Toto. No, be smart.